Everything starts with your, as the client, approach to us as a first phone call or as a first email saying, hey, I want to remodel a kitchen or a bathroom or a fireplace, right? Or the whole house, right? And at that point, we'll set up an appointment with you in which we will come into your space to take a look and see what is the items that bother you. Why do you think you need this remodel? And then also it allows us to see the options we can offer by observing the space and then obviously the style and what the house could be if different options and perspectives are being given. Lately, we have heard from clients that there's companies that don't want to even come to you to give you that first free consultation, and they will do a quick phone bidding through using Zillow or any other online listing companies to take a look at your property. That is a terrible way to start. Again, of course, it's just my opinion, but I want you to think about the fact that how are you supposed to know all the options in the house when you are relying on a third-party opinion and a camera that will only show you the best possible features of the home when they're trying to sell the home. So you need someone that will respect your project and will respect your home from the beginning. I understand it takes time and is a free consultation, but let's do it the old school. Let us come, see it, feel it, understand, so that we fully can emerge with a custom plan for you. Remember, we are not selling a pound of bananas or a pound of cookies or whatever. This is truly a custom job that can be so many options and so many variables depending of your likes, of your budget, and of course, depending of your home. So right there is the first big items that we are different. Once we have talked and you decide that you want to proceed with us, we will start our sessions. For a kitchen remodel, we will truly take 8 to 10 sessions in which you come to our showroom, and every session we talk about something different. There is a goal that needs to be met at every session. That allows us to make sure that we really grasp the idea of what you want, we really understand all of it, but it also helps you feel comfortable into the selection that you think you want. I am always straightforward. Sometimes I will tell you how I don't like that and that you may need to revisit that because of such and such reason. And it will be through those sessions that you understand if my approach or your likes are better, and we will go that route. After the sessions are done, you at that point know every element that goes into your remodel, and you truly feel comfortable and very sure about why you selected what you selected, why you are okay with the new layout or with a wall being gone or whatever it is, because we have talked about so much that you know, you're sure. That allows for a less problem on site. So again, remember when we are talking about option A and options B. I am prepared to handle options B, but so are you, because through our sessions, I have talked you through it. You understand if this happens and that happens, we will do that. So you know it all. You can sleep, you can function as normal as during our project, and most of all, you feel sure.